Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to go ahead and fix any plugin conflicts that you might be having in your WooCommerce store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that you're using. So if you're using WordPress like me, just go to wordpress.com, and from here we can get started accessing our main page. From here at the left side screen, we have the sections where we can find the plugin section and where we can see all the plugins that we have installed in our store. So let's go and take a look at this article right here. Somebody already asked the same question on the official WordPress forum about WooCommerce conflicting with the theme, and there might be a problem with the plugins. Here we have an answer by somebody who is affiliated with WooCommerce and WordPress, and here we have their answer. So as you can see, a plugin might be causing the conflict. So to figure this out, we are going to try deactivating all the plugins except WooCommerce, and then we are going to reactivate them one by one, checking the site after each activation. And if the problem comes back after you activate a specific plugin, a plugin is probably the source of the conflict. So what you're going to do is go into the plugin section and access all your installed plugins. You're going to disable them all and turn them one by one, and once you turn the one that's going to cause the problem again, you can just keep refreshing the site to see which one is going to cause your problem. Once you get to the plugin, you're going to know that plugin is the issue causing the conflict, and then you can either disable it or contact customer support, explain what the problem is, and they're going to walk you through step by step on how to fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.